Okay, so we'll start off. Let's look at what we have on Eurusd. This is the chart, and this, as you can see, this is still upwards. I'm not saying this is just a trade which I had here previously. You're not supposed to buy it. There's this big move up, and then there's a correction. There's another big move up, then there's a correction. So as I'm speaking now, there's a resistance here where the price needs to clearly break beyond. We have this level here. We have a resistance. The price needs to go above, retrace back, and then continue to the upper side. A move like this, a break above, a retracement, and then a continuation to the upper side. This is what we are waiting for. Just a break, a retracement, and then you continue upwards. So the next symbol we'll look at is USD JPY. So this has been downward for some time. The price keeps moving to the left side. We'll delete this. Yesterday, you can remember we had a resistance here. We had a very good resistance, a resistance. There was a break above, and then another break below. So we said that should the price break below, which it did, should the price go below 107.879, then we expect it to continue to the lower side. So far, the price has been downwards, but there is some support here where the price is approaching. We have a very good support previously. We have a support, and then there's also another support here. Support, then we have a support, this is the correct place to look for a sell from. So should the price break below, we'll wait for retracement, and then we pick a sell to the next level, which is 106.000. So we move forward to our next symbol. We look at gold. So this is how gold looks. We had a trend line from the top, and then you have another line. So this is like an expanding wedge formation. We have a resistance, we have a support, we also have a level here. So the price needs to go up to the top, then bounce off. This is the correct place to look for a sell. We'll move forward to our next symbol. Brent oil. So far Brent oil has been upwards. The price keeps moving to the upper side. we did have a zone here which was broken. This is a very good level. We had a resistance, a support, and then there's this break. So we did expect price to pull back. So as it is on this chart, we have this is like some trend line which the price is still being held beyond. We do 43.350. So the price needs to bounce off from this point and head straight to the upper side, most probably up this level, where if it goes beyond, expect a retracement and then a continuation to the upper side. So this is perfectly in line with the indicators. We have the ADX indicator, the 14-period moving average. You can see that the price is somewhat consolidating, but in the recent past we had a very good uptrend. We had a very good uptrend. So as it is now, if the price pulls back to this point, that is if it breaks below this short-term support, expect it to continue up to that 6.50, where we may look for a buy, expecting price to go back up. So something like this, and then continuation to the upper side, then it should retrace down, then continue up. So this could be a good buy place. This too could be a very good place to look for a buy from. So the last symbol we look at today, this is SP500. SP500, we are upwards. The indicator, the ADX indicator, showing us a buy, and the trend itself is giving us a buy. If you add the 252 moving average, you can see that we are upwards. If we also add the 200 simple moving average, we are still upwards. So this is still upwards, which means we still expect price to continue to the upper side. Keep looking for buy positions, wait for price to pull back, wait for it to break above levels so that you can pick buy positions. So as it is now, we are not selling anything, we are simply looking for buy positions. So simply wait for pullbacks and then you pick a buy order, or wait for break beyond any high, then you pick a continuation to the upper side. So thank you very much. We meet again tomorrow. Thank you. See you.